Hello friends, welcome back again to our Star Math Tutor. Please, if you are new to this channel, follow us, subscribe to our channel and expect more of this. So let's quickly take this one now. You're going to see this. I want you to try this first and put down the answer anywhere, whether on Facebook or in YouTube, while I give you exactly what to do in case you don't know it. So when you have something like this, the question says we should look for the value of x. And where do you see x is here. So when you have a triangle like this, now 45 degrees is here. You have here 115 degrees. Very, very simple. For the fact that 115 degrees is here, look at this place. What you are seeing here now is a straight line. An angle at a straight line is 180 degrees. So if 115 is here, this place should be 180 minus 115, which is 65 degrees. So this angle here, that's not what we have been asked for, but that is very important for you to get this answer. So that is 65 degrees. And if that is 65 degrees, if you add it to this one here, you have 65 here, you have 45 here. So this angle here, for us to complete this triangle, we need the angle here. So this is 65, 45. If you add the two together, you'll be having 110 degrees. So for us to get this will be 180 minus 110, which will give us 70 degrees. So we have completed this, the whole angle of this triangle, 65, 45, and 70. Now, if 70 is here, now watch again, there's a straight line here. So if this is 70, this angle here will be 180 minus 70. And 180 minus 70 is 110. Do you understand? 110. So this angle here is 110. And we are told that this angle is 2x. It simply means that 2x is equal to 110. So if 2x is 110, simply means that x equals 110 over 2, which is 55 degrees. So the answer to this question is 55 degrees. We worked everything here. So if you don't follow this video, you will not understand what we've just done here. But follow it quietly. You understand step by step exactly what you did to arrive at this. So the value of x here is 55 degrees. I wish you stop here. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to try it. Thanks for watching. Don't look toward goddess.